called a plumber. Who are you?
I'm a plumber.
But you're so small.
Size doesn't matter when you know what to do.
There you go, all fixed up. No more leaks.
That's a huge relief, thank you.